I'm Jody. My family and I live in Baldwin. We recently had our kitchen renovated by Pittsburgh's Best Remodeling. Honestly, we didn't have much of a problem. Pittsburgh's Best came out and we kind of just clicked with them and went from there. We chose Pittsburgh's Best because we liked that it was like a one-stop shop. We didn't have to reach out to different contractors. Like, we picked them and they kind of took it from there for us. I liked that I was able to just talk to Missy. I could tell her my ideas and she could see them and bring them to like life for me. I loved our installation crew. Like, I loved our project manager. They were clean, they were easy to talk to. Like, I loved them. I thought the staff was exceptional. I thought our project manager was awesome. They just made it so easy to work and just get stuff done. I really liked the staff. I would say to just reach out to them, have them come to your house, take a look, and see what you guys could come up with. They did a great job for us. I just like all of the small details, like all of the fine details and thought that went into it. That's my favorite part. Just thank you, Pittsburgh's Best, for a great kitchen remodel. Our family loves it. Thank you.
Call 724-935-6000 for your free design consultation.